Shem ningibhorile Shem. Ningibhorile Shem. And manje angikwazi ukuphendula. Angazi why uTwitter wami blockekile. Too burning. I was about to go off. I was like, what the fuck did you just say? What the fuck is even that? Just sometimes the rumor we are ithatha lightly. Nina le rumor le nifuna ukuyenza ibe thing like nifuna ukwenza kube like ibe something. Yeah, bafuna ukumanifest like they understand.
The next thing you want to see Jordan.
Yes.
I'm not forever.
Yes.
You're trying to create something.
They try to create a story, like they trying to create something in their scene. I heard from Kosa's close friend from Botswana. Yeah. But Botswana. Botswana, mina.
I don't know. And I'll make you your shares in what the man.
How last time the podcast was nice, I was like, how Shem McG, power to you, bro. How McG, young chica like us. Hey, go to daughter is dating Master KG. Yes. She's a child Master KG. Ngabuye ngixaka manje ngathi hayi. Mhlambe scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Nangazi ukuthi masakeji make Gmail akhuluma into real. Angakhuluma into wrong. Like must speak about real stuff. I am a lies. It's a scam. It's a scam. They're scamming you. Yes. Guys, indaba zami azijabulisi ngaloo ndlela as like
ngibona ngala ngisethi ngisenukubi kanje
wena unishintshile le class
ezindaba soyikhuluma ngelilanga lezi zamanga. You see, if it's lies, I'll come tell you and say that is a lie. If it's lies, I'll come and tell you this is a lie. And this is a lie.
Strong,
yes, like I don't understand ukuthi angengisabi mina ukuthi nje angithandi ukukhuluma indaba ebhedayo.
Lapha strong ya udlule yami.
Hambani emsebenzini guys, mina ngibuya emsebenzini ngayengami. Hambani emsebenzini. I just got home and I'm pissed off. Kuthiwa ngijoyina noMaster KG, ngingane noMaster KG. Ningiqhela ikaka, eva? Ningiqhela ikaka. Kuzokulanda umuntu waseBotswana athi nje unkosazana unengane noMaster KG. Angicreate ubani? Cela ushaya isifuba if awungisabi. Ishaya isifuba uze kumina uzongitshela. Kwenza ukufaka inqindi. Jwayela kabi wena. Jwayela kabi.